to my channel. Today I have decided to share with you a quick and easy recipe for dinner, or it doesn't necessarily have to be dinner. It could be lunch. Sorry, that's Nicola here. He got into my cabinet. He just plays with the cans. Okay. And you can cook it whenever you want to eat something that tastes amazing, but it doesn't take so much time to cook. It takes about 45 minutes to cook and 10 minutes to prepare all the ingredients for cooking. So I think it's a quick recipe. So guys, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so these are the ingredients you're gonna need. Half of a leek, 1 grated carrot, 2 nubs of butter, bacon cut into the cubes, 1 grated zucchini, water, mozzarella, and 1 pack of green pasta. So first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna melt the butter. Then you're going to add leek and stir. Then you season the leek with the salt and stir again. Now you add the carrots and stir. Now you add the bacon and you cook it until it's nice and crispy. Now you're going to add zucchini and stir. Cover all your vegetables with water and season it how you want it. I added mixed spices with Croatian mixed spices vegeta and leave it to cook for half an hour. You can season it with salt, pepper, garlic, chili, whatever you want. After half an hour of cooking, you're gonna season the sauce with the oregano and add the mixture of flour and the water. How you make the mixture is you add in the glass 2 tablespoons of flour and 2 tablespoons of water. You mix it, then you move the sauce away from the heat, you add it to the sauce, mix, and bring the sauce to the boil again, and move it away from the heat again. After that, you're going to add a little bit of mozzarella into the sauce and stir until it's melted. Sauce is great, nice and creamy how it should look. I cooked pasta by the instructions on the bag and drained it. My pasta is cooked. My sauce is done. Now I'm gonna decorate the plate. So that's the recipe. I hope you liked it. It's quick, easy, and cheap, so anyone can afford it. I'll put all of the ingredients in the description box, and also if you tried it, please let me know in the comments how did it go. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye!